You meet a native Kannada speaker in Bengaluru and they start speaking Kannada and your brain goes loading, buffering, error, 404 Kannada not found. You smile awkwardly and say, Kannada gottilla. But you wish you could just reply confidently and keep the conversation going. What if I tell you, after this video, you will not be facing the same situation again? Welcome to Airlearn Kannada. I am Bhumi, Nimma Kannadada Hudgi, and I'll help you go from gottilla to got it, naturally, confidently, and one small conversation at a time. And if introduction still feels scary, don't worry. The Airlearn app has slow audio practice and real-life dialogues that make Kannada feel comfortable and familiar. Alright, let's make your Kannada introduction simple and easy. In Kannada, the simplest way to say my name is Nanna Hesaru. Try it with your name. Nanna Hesaru Bhumi. Nanna Hesaru Rohan. Nice. That's your first strong Kannada sentence. To keep things conversational, imagine someone just asked you, Nimma Hesarenu. What's your name? Now you know exactly what to say. You just reply with Nanna Hesaru Bhumi. Simple, right? Good. The very next question you get asked, if you're from a different city, where are you from? Which in Kannada is, Neevu Yellinda Bandidira. To this, your reply would be as simple as, Nanu, your city name, Inda Bandidene. Example, Nanu Delhi inda Bandidene. Nanu Kerala inda Bandidene. Great. Once you're able to remember these phrases, you can add a few more. Neenu yen martidiya. It's a casual way of saying what do you do. If you want to be a little formal, Neevu yenu martidira. Your answer would be Nanu, the work you do, nalli kelsa martiddene. Examples, Nanu IT alli kelsa maduತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Nanu hospital alli kelsa maduತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. If you're a student, Nanu vidyarthi. This is if you're a male, and if you're a female, Nanu vidyarthini. Smooth, simple, perfect. Another most asked question is, where do you live? For this you answer, Nanu Bengaluru vasa maduತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I live in Bangalore. Most locals shorten it to Nanu Bengaluru. This is the most asked question if you're from a different city. This one always makes the Kannadiga smile. Nanu Kannada kalita iddini. I am learning Kannada. This instantly makes conversation smoother because people switch to slower, simpler Kannada when they know you're learning. Small note, in Bengaluru, you'll hear people mix Kannada and English. Like nan office alidini, nan breakfast marta idini. The goal is simple. Understand the idea and respond naturally. Kannada is very flexible that way. Now let's put it all together. Repeat after me. Namaskara. Nanna Hesaru Bhumi. Nanu Mumbainda Bandidene. Nanu Bengaluralli Vasa Maduttene. Nanu IT-alli Kelsa Maduttene. Nanu Kannada Kalitiddini. Santoshavayitu. Here's how it actually sounds. Namaskara. Nimma Hesarenu. Nanna Hesaru Bhumi. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Perfect flow. This is exactly how Bangalore conversations happen. Simple, friendly, and mixed with English. Remember, introductions are the easiest and most powerful way to start speaking Kannada. Once you learn these basics, everything else becomes so much easier. And if you want to practice with audio, speaking tests and real-life dialogues, check out the Airlearn app. It's full of lessons just like this. No stress, no gottilla. Just got it. Keep going, you're doing great. Bega sigona. See you soon.